the participants or the businesses that are in the Jitihada. You know, I can tell you, in my view, you are already a success. Being in the room this far or being in the process this far, you are already a great success. In consulting, I think the most successful companies, consulting companies, usually land what? 1 in 20? Fred, do you think? 1 in 20 proposals becomes an assignment? Yeah. In businesses, I think it is only one idea in 1,000, perhaps more, that get to the point of being put down on paper and somebody actually going out and putting money behind that idea. So I think you should give yourself a round of applause because you are already successful in getting to this far. But I suppose I must say something about why we as government are interested in this matter. What is it that we are trying to accomplish? And by the way, I was told that as your businesses were being looked at, as the business plans were being evaluated and so on, that we found there is a great deal of interest in value addition. So people talking about how to add value with coconuts, with sunflower, with edible oils, with bananas, rabbit meat. Isn't that interesting, rabbit meat? And now there is somebody who is thinking outside the box, don't you think? Or perhaps they've in fact thrown away the box and decided, and that's what I think we all should do. We also, I'm told, found that an increased number of women going into what have been seen as traditionally men areas, like fabrication and metalwork and so on. And we also found an increase in businesses that in fact are rising to the occasion and to deal with issues of environmental protection. So low energy GCOs, converting garbage to energy, recycling, and so on. So once again, congratulations to all of you.